Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be playing something different called Yandere Simulator. If you are under the age of 18, click off this video. Now let's get started. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna go on mission modes, cause I just want missions, obviously. Okay. Let's do design a mission, because I want to design a mission, duh. Okay, let's see who I want to kill. I want to kill Mizumi. Actually, I want to kill, let's see who I have. Can you kill Senpai? That would be really cool if you could. But I don't know if he's on this list. Maybe we could try and kill... Where are they? There's totally a lot that... let's kill this girl and the target with a knife. Okay, now let's start this mission, huh? Start mission. Okay, you guys, I'm starting the mission. Okay. I really hope this is good. Because what if it's not? Start the mission. Boy. A girl. OMG. Oh my god. Yes! Now let's try and kill her. The pink-haired girl. Mizumi friend. Let's run and try and kill her. Okay, so she should be coming up here any minute. I'll show you guys which one she is. Whoa! There she is. So, I think it's this girl right here. That's annoying. Hey girls, I'm part of one of you now. And you're not gonna murder me. Okay, let's just talk to her. I can't talk to her. Okay, this is not the demo. This is a debug. Build testing. The build is from August the 1st, okay? Oh, okay. Okay. First of all, we need to go find a knife. Because we're just wasting our time right now. Hey, yo. Why do I... I'm a good student, so I'm just walking in casually. Oh, no. Hey, why you alone? Why you alone? Why you alone? Hey. Can I talk for you a minute? Sorry, never mind. Did I seriously just say that to her? Let me gossip with her. I'm teasing her. I have to write a report about one of our Japan stuff. Oh, okay. I've got $20. New student needs to rate. What? Maybe. I don't know. Will I accept it? I'm gonna actually refuse it. I'm hopeful as I'm doing. Oh, well, girl, I wish I could help you, but I'm in a murder trap right now. Girl, murdering is important. Okay, don't do any of this in real life, like in the game. Oh. I can't go near senpai with a knife anyways, 'cause like, I'll drop it. Don't let you go near senpai with anything, or you drop it. So I'm just gonna look for a knife. And this time I'm not near senpai, which is good. Girl, I'm just casually washing my hands. Turn on light. Okay, girls, let's run. Oh, hey. Does anyone have anything? Oh, it actually shows you some stuff. I mean, I guess I don't have any. Oh, no, I don't wish to quit the game. So let's just follow my goal. And see where this takes us, obviously. Am I going the right? Yeah, I am. Don't mind me, just I'm learning topics as I go. Running is learning topics, actually. Guys, did you know? Oh, it just leads me. Oh. I'm gonna replay this. I might have to do a part 2 until I actually finish this. Whoa. This is so weird. Oh, I can't get. Oh, yeah, I can actually. Okay, senpai. Okay, just do. Senpai, we can't go near senpai, at all. Let's just casually walk in the school and do nothing, I think. Oh, actually, let's wait up for my girls. Hey, girls, I'm one of you now. I'm one of you. That's annoying. Yeah, I know it's annoying. Okay, I'm gonna have to ruin their reputation. Oh, I literally blew my cover. So it looks like I can't let her look at me. Great. Well, that's hard. But it's better enough. 'Cause I get to do hard missions anyways. Oh, and I will be continuing my Childcraft episodes, and I will continue reacting to the rest of Alice's Shadow Lady's secret gacha story. Just give me some time. And I will be continuing on the Tiger Alpha. I meant to name it the Lion Alpha, but I accidentally did the Tiger Alpha. So, sorry about that. Exactly. Okay. What is this? Excuse me? What is this? I'm just gonna... No. Yes, I am quitting this. Okay. I had no idea what that was. I'm just going on another mission. Gee, girl. But I am killing, I'm actually killing, yeah, that'll be good. The popular girls I'm killing. And what will she do if she's bullied and, I don't know, dead? She's bullied because she's dead. Will that actually be a thing? I'm killing this girl this time. Huh? Okay. I can't change that. So, now, I can choose what I want to kill her with. I'm gonna kill her with a knife. I'm not completing this within 10 minutes. Oh, fine, I have to. Fine. It's a new mission. Hopefully soon I'll be able to unlock those. So, I know. I just unlock them. And then I could change it to whatever I want. Because this is just annoying. Oh, and if you guys wonder why yesterday's Jadecraft episode was turned around bent, it was because of I did full screen. I promise I won't do full screen ever again, you guys. It's just bad. Okay, now we just run down to the hallway, I guess, and we can't get caught by our victim. Okay, looks like she's coming to the school right now. What are they doing? So right now what we need to do is just run and find a knife. Oh, and by the way, I saw Laundry side get a heart thing and chop a girl's head, and then there's heads everywhere. So I'm gonna try that very soon. Well, I might try it next time I play this game. I don't know. But anyways, guys, oh my god, look at my character's hands like silently vibrating. Wow, cool sis. Okay. So, you guys, if you guys think that I should carry on but do that head stuff next time, requested by Laundry said, well, she didn't request it to me. I just thought it'd be cool to do it. If you think I should do it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe and comment down below. And see my character's eyes closed right now. And I'll make the outro. Bye!